harbor breathes out, the work begins. The fishermen of the village step onto the wet wood.
دنيتي وتشنن رعالنا مهم كن بروسر كداي
There, that should hold the biggest catch.
Look at that! It is perfect!
Harder on that side. It's heavy, but we are almost there.
The winter stock awaits. The fishermen rouse further out, hopeful for a good catch in the warm afternoon sun.
It's heavy! Pull harder!
Look at the size of this one! We did it! True winter gift from the waters, filling the fisherman's heart with gratitude.
Look at the size of these fish! We haven't seen a catch this big in weeks.
Let's get them ready for the feast. Look how clean the fish is now. It shines like the moon. Respect for the life given. He carefully removes the innards, preparing them for the clay pot and the fragrant spices waiting nearby. The harvest is safe now, kept fresh in the clay. The lid fits perfectly, and with the dimming candlelight, the village feels secure. Ancient and proven method. The heavy stones press down, extracting the precious brine drop by drop. The stones compress the fillets tightly. The tiny doll feels an
That is the last one.
Good work. We are safe and warm now. Finally snowing outside.
Fire is warm tonight.
Yes, the snow falls softly outside.